why they talk and say, if you want train Pikin, train them when they're small. If you spare the rod, you spare the child. If you be mother when they spoil children, if they want to do some kind of things, you say that be small Pikin, they be small Pikin, they go grow with that habit, and if they grow, you can't control them. That's why a lot of men today, for them to marry single mother, not be all single mother. Some single mothers, the thing they had them because why? They don't know if that woman give those children the upbringing. Now God go bless all those single mothers. Where he still train those children, where he train their children to become somebody for life, where he train their children in a very respectful way. Now God will bless those kind of single mothers. But you see some single mothers, this is what you get when you are a single mother. Now, Sarah, I don't go curse you because now your mama me and get issue. But I'll curse your papa. Sarah, can you talk to your father like this? I not blame you. I still they blame Destiny Ebagwa. See small rats, cockroach. Can you imagine the nonsense? The rubbish when Sarah, the rat, they come aside for live video. Her mother cannot even stop her to delete it. Her mama, they even they smile. Mama, Esther no thought say not see this thing. Make quarrel with the Pikin, say, come my Pikin. This thing where you the rest, so no. Let me do this thing. But imagine person will come small girl. He say mama never see better man. He say mama no even carry go market where. He say now he go arrange ma for a mama. What an insult to personality. You see why it is good to train your children when they are young. You see why it is good to train your children, but some people will take it as if you are maltreating your children. If Sarah get good upbringing, if this girl, so Sarah Coco, if she gets good upbringing, will she write this kind of thing? When he know say matter they hot, he be like say this girl they would they use him mama. Yes, Sarah they use him mama till they build that page. Because when Esther Doctor never come Europe, nobody even know that page. Whether that page exists, nobody know. Is this not a shame? You are publicly insulting your stepfather. And people are saying you are right. Your mama not be single mother before. Now Destiny background no one for call the form so na be Galadima. How many husbands has your mama don't go? Before your mama can't reach Destiny background hand. Sarah Coco, I did ask you a question. I know ta no good bijoué. Sarah Coco, now what bijoué? Because my Destiny gave me a problem. I don't let it and say, may I start not return the cost again because the cost when it cost 9 years old for the work. That's why the senior one they look for more, they go for TikTok. So neighbor, if you like you return, if you like you not return. Destiny was your Coco, not be you I come for. But I work stay clear. Anyway, now my way even shoe. It's okay. Sarah, now what be you ever going to do better? Cause you get Destiny or Destiny bagwa bio. How many years mas your mama don't go? How many? 4 or 3. This nonsense when you like so. Why you not let her follow the first, the second, and the third one? You go worse past your mama. You go worse past your mama. I'm gonna soon have you born like this. You go worse past your mother. You should be ashamed of yourself. Where is your own father? Erawo. Sarah. Eruwewu. Your father, your papa, they forbid to become a millionaire. Your father, they forbid to become a millionaire. When they tell your mama where go, key say your mama not choose where, you not carry her go market where. Now you want to give your mama shame on Esther Dokbayi. Esther Dokbayi, shame on you, useless woman, lady of saga. If those girls are no longer baby, they know what. Anybody will call a baby, you are deceiving yourself. Put put it here for granted if they knock. Now then you know say Sarah not be small Pikin again. Sarah knock pass una way dey 40, 50 years. Now they talk to be sister. Sarah will kiss or what? It is Stephen or all here. And Sarah will kiss or what? Una way they talk say she's a man or she's a baby. Baby go write this nonsense. They know now everywhere will Sarah, do you know your father? Sarah, yes, say you don't know your papa. Gwemera. Mugwe. The senior wife better pass you. This Stephanie. Only Masogwe. Sell where is your father? Because in here we mother there. You don't know your papa. You know the fear. I said, I'll go bijouer. I ask you, oh, go bijouer. You know what? Oh, go bijouer. Huh? Why you don't use your father to compare? Say your mama not carry her go, you not carry her go market for where papa did. Why did you not direct it to Destiny Bagua? You see left. You see, I can never marry two wives. For me to marry two wives, I'll break up with the first one and go straight to the other one. It is better for you to break up with a woman and go and marry another new woman than marrying two wives, all in the name of I'm a man. You see? Say, you see the way some single mothers they support their children. All in the name of, now let me want to train them. Go and check. 90% of the single mothers, 65 of them spoil their children. Then they don't give their children good upbringing. Now let 25 of them now give their children good upbringing. If you see some single mothers' children, you will be proud. Say, wow, this woman now man, now still woman, 2 in 1. Now I could talk to a Pikin go sit down. Now you could talk to a Pikin go sit down. Why some? They slap their mama for public. Jenny Sunday ogun yan gbe where you are, iwo yan sun baba live we gbe Jenny Sunday. Any bad comment, yeah, I block you. You see where sometimes it's good make you do your children's life as a man. But if your wife do not permit you to be in your children's life, allow your wife to train the children. If it's good, it go good for her. If it's bad, it go still bad for her. Like Esther now. Give way. Single mother, give way. Look at your children. Look at the kind of nonsense that they exhibit for outside. You want to use that word now to compare yourself. Nonsense. Say you will be supposed superstar. Esther, don't buy you. You were supposed to be superstar. When people go see, they'll say you are a superstar. I'm not sure say you go reach legend though. Or if you like, may you stay 100 years for this life. We're here with legend because a legend in our saga. Sarah Coco, if you don't know today, you are here legend. Or when you work 100 years, a legend in your part because why? Am I as well? Imagine a musician with saga there. Oh, be you and I'm here with a musician with saga. Musicians, they will respond to you with 2-3 videos. They'll leave you in the craze. But you see, I don't buy you. And I know where the children take this bad character from. Hello, Yefife. Hello. Yo, that yeah. You real live video. Yeah, true. Yeah, true. You understand? Train up a child in the way it should go. That when it's go, it will not depart from it. Esther, is this what you trained? How old is Sarah? Somebody should write it in the comment section. Don't be Sarah way smally way they do. What when they carry train, they said that time for once movie like that. How old is Sarah's children? How old is Sarah? Please, somebody should write it for me in the comment section. How old is Sarah? Sarah got 45 years. Hey, Sarah said 25 years in there. 22 or 21. Not be even this one, not be trigger me. Wanna see the other one. Wanna see the other one. Wanna see the other one. I'm out no okay wako zara. So when no me akwaru no ya gwe, me I read it now. May I bring her down some more the see name because me go am worry bawa. He said the hair na fake. What he call concern my toto. Hey, whoa. Una say na baby. See wetin he write. The hair na fake. Wetin concern my toto. She make he come dey pay me. Na me get the hair. Una the only spoil business for una favorite hand. Wetin be my own inside. Not be say una get money to even buy the hair. If not the one wey she take get full her shop, she for don't sell am since. She for even no need my help to help her do her business. Make una put this energy into supporting her business so she go dey see her money instead of pouring more money into a business that brings back zero income. Meaning, hey Baba, see matter. See matter. It's ugly was set. Meaning, you are indirectly talking to her word. Sarah. Go tearful. Stupid words. Foolish supporters. Me we join one bah. As soon as they downgrade the hair. Even myself can't see am. Oh, that hair not be Vietnam. Then buy for buy am. Oh, the hair just stiff like the hair we dey my tutu. Esther, wabijwa. Esther, ogun ya gbijwe, va bo la jouer gbe. O ya suhungu. E music na, where ye? Ero awa talo wataleme. U be have wu. Bet, u have wu. Umakoke USA. Umakoki USA. Shame on you as a mother. I'm gonna fear. Your daughter insult Destiny Bagwa, it not end there. He constantly insult her word. What kind of sea finish is this? You say your mama not carry her go market. They allow your mother to go. After all, not be the first husband. Destiny Bagwa is not the first husband. And Destiny Bagwa beware. Your mama go first husband as before. May still got the fifth one. I will not wear any woman here where go first husband as enough favor her. Second husband as enough favor you. Third husband as now you be the problem. It is not it called the review to me now say now Esther don't buy ye be the problem of the husband as where don't go. What do you expect? You see why it not good mean one person the trip Pikin. Ubele not see a ma. No, na back ba woman. Obioga kere no make boy 25 years. You get the audacity to write this nonsense for handle. Small rat they call say waiting concern the toto. The trauma they give their word. Say if people like him, the way they defend her for social media, they for don't buy all the hair with their stuff finish. Or go on their wahi. No. You people are slave to her word. And you forever remain, you and your mother will forever remain slave to her word. Your mama not call the dinner that day. If your mama dinner hair. And now call the agree say, na her word hell na the say. Her word na give na the year. Mona talk truth now. Your mama don't beg. Her word tire. He said no, say no, the listing. Esther, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Your mama dump. Her word dump your mama like a piece of trash. He said no want your mama friendship again. That Destiny Bagua can't give her hair, make it go up and say for her land. Maybe if you see that one, it might go reach ground. What kind of home bringing is this? You see, I say, Esther and the children, they discuss her word for back. If Sarah can put this up here, meaning the one way that they talk for his house, or he was to say. Now I come marry from, now I come marry from person. Now what's not just a bagua from the rightful owner? Now must still they complain. I won't go out there a word. Esther, I can't rob me now. You are slave to her word by selling her for her. You and your children will not be slave to her word. Number one. Number two, your daughter, they look for man, they go for TikTok or mommy. When you are, where I'm a few where. You say people in Europe must have been dressed. But on the 28th, you will buy ticket. You want to go meet people who must have been dressed. If I could be married to Donna, where if I know they will go and you they talk that day, you see they talk again say, you. Now you are saying that not be dressed. But you want to go play now on Saturday now. You want to go and play for people who not be dressed. Without an apology. You're not even supposed to say some for that kind of thing. Because everybody in Europe, who are the some? Who are the some? You see the reason why it is important for a father to bring the life of children. This is the evidence of I want to train my Pikin. I can train my children myself. This is the evidence. Sarah no matter say 25 years, he will not do ta. See the way they pour insult on Destiny Bagua and her word. What sort of nonsense is this? A Momo Constance where they support the could better say the year they make sense because now they support them. But if not they support them, just now the year not go make sense. If now other person picking that this thing, I know what to now go talk. Fuen Iwe ni meyari meyari ya meyadi wase. Iwe la yadi wase. Esther, you are restless. You will go sweat for person for robo. You yourself be restless. Igbima ho. Uwe ye na gazigan. Now if you want carry Sandoka come that day, what you Sandoka carry? If you want drag Sandoka stylishly, drag her into saga. Not do debunk. Not do debunk even watale le here we yeke. About in a park. I be which one say me call debunk. Esther, of the truth, forget say my enemy. Umako ki we say. You spoil uko ki we saka. You spoil your children. Who were cocky we saka. Demo, you no matter. Your Pikin say want give you man. What kind of audacity is that? Really, man, you know, you see those my children. I did try my best to take care of them. That's me. If they do something we not right, not be every time they beat Pikin. Wait till be beat. We fear me to was Nissan. Yeah, with Nana Emma. It is very nice. If you know they beat your children, beat not be give. We fear me to so honor with me. If you know they scold them. If you know they scold your children, to spoil for your eye, you will be like him. And if you cannot train them now when they are young, if they don't reach 15, 16 years, you cannot talk to them again. If you talk to them, they'll call police on you. This is where it is right for you to train your children when they are young. They open breast for outside. Don't not even be my business. Why would they throw mat to their stepfather and their and a word? Train your children the way to go. Yeah, going away. You will not depart from it. God, my Wester. What you tell Bonoma? Bonoma meti koki way. You will not give your children home training. What I really talk safe? Am I surprised? Three children, be three papa, two children. You know, you have be a lawyer.